The dashboard or main system screen of the eTrack application has been designed to be extremely user-friendly. There's a lot of information listed on the dashboard that is relevant to the driver as they go through their day. The driver is able to see at a glance what duty status the system sees them in the top right-hand corner of the application. They are able to access all of the features and functions that they need as they go through their day, such as viewing logs, manually changing their duty status, creating trips and doing pre- and post-trip vehicle inspections, as well as entering fuel purchases if the motor carrier is using the IFTA module. The driver can also see all of the daily, weekly, and hourly windows that they must follow as they go through their day. And this has to do with the alerting system that's in place on the back end of the eTrack application. There are 3 automated alerts that are produced based on what's going on as the driver goes through their day. The first automated alert is hours of service alert, and it has to do with these values that are in each of these cells. These automatically, all of these values count down as the driver goes through their day. And if any of these cells gets within 1 hour of going over, it will turn a bright yellow. And at that time, it will send an alert back to whoever's designated internally to receive those alerts. If any one of these hours or hourly cells falls below 0, it will turn a bright red, signifying to the driver that the driver has a compliance error that needs to be addressed immediately. A second type of automated alert has to do with vehicle inspections. If a vehicle inspection fails for any reason, a second alert is produced that will be sent back to anyone who's designated to receive those alerts internally. And there's also a third automated alert that's based on the fact that the system's trip-centric. And what we mean by that is a vehicle and a driver have to be placed on a trip in order for the system to track correctly. So that trip is actually the tracking mechanism that ties everything together in the system and helps the system produce the logs for the driver. So if a driver doesn't create a trip or do a pre-trip inspection before they begin driving the vehicle, a third alert is produced that is sent back to internal users, whoever is designated to receive those alerts, that basically tells them that the vehicle is in motion and has not been placed on a trip. This third alert is a safety net which steers people to use the system correctly and keeps the driver compliant. Internal users, if they receive this alert, would be able to contact the driver and state that the driver must pull over, create a trip, and do a pre-trip vehicle inspection as per the regulations. And these alerts can be sent to an unlimited number of internal users. And as I pointed out, different alerts can be sent to different people, so hours of service alerts may go to a dispatch or a safety department. Failed vehicle inspections could go to a mechanic or a repair shop. And the alerts can be sent by text message, email, or both, making it an extremely flexible and powerful system.